Today we're going to multiply two binomials. A binomial is basically this expression right here with two terms. The x is one term and the 1 is another term. So this is a binomial times a binomial. Okay? So the process we're going to use today is a method called FOIL. Let me write that down. FOIL is basically the order in which you multiply the terms. So let's go over this. F stands for first. O stands for outer. I stands for inner. And L stands for last. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and follow this order and multiply our binomials. So let's begin with F. F, for the first part, we're going to go ahead and multiply the first term of each binomial. So we're going to multiply x times x, and that will give us x squared. The O means outer, so that means we multiply x times 5. These are the outside terms. So x times 5 would be 5x. Then we go to the I. I is inner. That means we get 1 in x and we multiply 1 in x. So that gives us 1x. And last step is to multiply the last term of each binomial. So that means we multiply 1 and 5. So multiply 1 times 5, that gives us 5. One more thing that we need to do here is check if we can combine like terms. We can see that 5x and 1x are like terms, and they give us 6x. So this takes us to our final answer, which is x squared plus 6x plus 5. That is how you multiply two binomials.